So this is a really important step. In the search bar, type task manager and then click here to open it. This will open a new window, task manager. Then on this window we need to click on file, select run new task and then click here. So you need to follow my screen. We need to open C drive, so click here and then open C drive. Now open Windows folder, then open System32 folder. Scroll down and search for CMD and then click on open. Now check this box, select OK. These commands are really important. You can manually type these commands, or to avoid mistakes you can simply copy and paste these commands from the page I will show you. For that, open Google Chrome and then in the search bar type google.com and hit enter. Then in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now from the search results, click on this link which is from www.hows.tech and then just scroll down and search for command number 12 and then right click here and select copy. And to paste this command on the command prompt, right click here, select edit and simply click on paste, then hit enter to execute this command. After that, copy command number 13, so right click and select copy and then simply paste this command on command prompt, then hit enter. After that, type exit to close this window. Go to search bar, type here Chrome, click here to open it. In the search bar type chrome://net-internals, click here. Then go to sockets, click on flush socket pools. Now we need to check the updates for Google Chromes. After that, click on these three dots, more tools, and click on clear browsing data. Now select all time and click on clear data. Once done, close this, go to search bar and type cmd run as administrator, select as. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands from the description below. Just copy them and paste it here and hit enter to execute them. These commands are really important, so follow the screen carefully. Once done, close command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.